will answer this one. Find the product of the quantity of 4x plus 5 times the quantity of x plus 4. Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito, i-apply pa rin natin yung FOIL method, yung first, outer, inner, and last. So dito muna tayo sa first. Multiply natin yan, 4x times x, so that would be 4x squared. Then outer, si 4x multiply natin kay 4, so that is positive 16x. Okay, then inner, si 5 multiply natin kay x, so that is 5x. Then last, si 5 multiply natin kay 4, so that is positive 20. Then i-combine like terms natin. So 4x squared, ito i-combine natin yan. So 16x plus 5x, so that is positive 21x. Then kopyahin natin yung plus 20. Okay, so sa choices natin, letter D is the correct answer.